All right, you are tuned in to Rockin' with the Rook. As always, these videos are brought to you by Advanced Diagnostics USA. This is a 2023 Rogue. This particular 23 Rogue uses the 3-button key. And if you try to put a remote start key into this vehicle, the button configuration will be all messed up. So what I do to tell which key it uses, whether it has remote start or not, is by the door handle. The door handle on these is plastic, not painted. I believe it's black. And it also does not have smart entry. So these will be the ones that use the 3-button, and now I'll go show you one with remote start. All right, so this one is a 23 Rogue as well, and you will notice the handle is painted same as the car, and this one does have smart entry. And if you look at the key, it has remote start. So basically the door handle will help you determine which key is used. Bada bing, bada boom.